This is Innovation, Design Engineering, Cyber-Physical Systems.
It's project-based learning, so if you're like myself and you've come from a degree that is somewhat unrelated to design or to engineering, it's a great way to learn. And you're with people who have expertise that you don't have, so you're learning from them and with them, which is pretty unique, I think, for a master's.
I had no technical background before. I had never done any sort of digital fabrication, modeling, or anything with physical computing.
Coming from industrial design, I didn't do coding before.
I'm not a coder, so I got to learn a bit of Python.
I learned a lot just by watching.
Code in Arduino and in processing, and also a bit more about machine learning.
How to do complex projects, complex system, mechanical parts, coding parts.
I learned Fusion 360, the Python and Media Pipe, and also Akinator.
I was very interested in the mix of art and engineering.
I wanted to work with my hands a bit more and actually make things.
I wanted to make things, and I wanted to be surrounded by people who would inspire me to make things and who I could learn from.
From Cyber-Physical Systems, we're making something into a reality. You can create anything and get it working and really bring it to life.
I really enjoy the freedom that we get to explore whatever we want to do. In physics, you don't get to do that much creative stuff, and here there's no limit, and I really enjoy that kind of artistic freedom.
The scope of design in lots of different fields across different industries, it's a different way of thinking. Working with so many people from different backgrounds is really inspiring.
I had lots of design experience, but no engineering.
My background is in architecture.
Mechanical engineering.
I'm a product designer from China Academy of Art.
I did physics at Imperial College.
My background is fashion design.
I worked as a UX designer.
Business management.
Product industrial design. I studied medicine, health and society, and art. There are so many talented people that I can learn from.
I learn a lot about interdisciplinary collaboration.
The three of us coming from a different background makes it much more interesting for us to work together, because now we can delegate the skills and also take over the skill that we want to learn from each other.
Everyone's a subject matter expertise. Someone's really good at prototyping, someone's really good at coding, someone's really good at making stuff. Everyone's having a very creative output.
We've learned a lot of theory on like robotics, mechanisms and electronics, but in this course we get the chance to get our hands really on the stuff and try it out.
We want to explore, push our boundaries and pick up a concept that actually resonates with all three of us.
We kind of wanted to work with like light and sound, figuring it out together and like learning about machine learning and what code is not working and like what is working. It's fun and we're having a good time.
We decided to just have fun with the idea of cyber-physical systems. And we created this idea of like a flirting robot. So
you have to dance to gain the love of the robot?
Yeah!
Our project was inspired from a game from the south of France.
You're basically in this remix playing against the robot, but the robot is cheating, so you can't win.
It's essentially a mechanical scoreboard with a machine learning, computer vision interface that tracks people playing rock, paper, scissors and displays their scores.
Now I know how much I don't know, so there are a lot of things that I tried for the first time and I'm super interested in exploring further.
You will fail a lot of times. Certain things, certain parts doesn't work, just accept it and move on.
At the end, it's not the hardest thing in the world.
Being really creative about what alternative routes are possible and how to pull in different expertise to solve a problem.
It's great if you're looking to make some physical prototypes and to meet really interesting people.
Of course I would recommend this course. I would recommend to everyone.
I think IDE is the future. I don't want my road to be too narrow. I want to see a bigger world, and I like to do a lot of physical stuff. IDE have a lot of courses that really suits my interests.